right, so we're officially in lesson 10/11. So here we have a game, and we'll kind of give you a little bit of background. So in this game, it's kind of like the one we were playing earlier with the cards, but I needed some specific numbers, so I just made the cards myself and put them in here. And so I see that I have 3 of these -5s. And so I'm going to go and figure out a multiplication problem using these repetitive numbers. So for my product, you guys, I would just write something that describes that. So I would say -5 times 3. That describes what this relationship is. An expression is going to be simply just doing like -5 plus -5 plus -5. So all of those added together is my expression. And then I need an equation that relates the two expressions. So I'm going to take my -5 times 3, and I'm going to put that in here, and that equals, it's the same thing as my -5 plus -5 plus -5. So that would be my equation that relates them. They all equal the same thing. So let's make this a little bigger so that it all is on the same row. There we go. Okay, and then the integer that represents the total change, that's the number. So what is the answer to -5 times 3? Well, that's actually going to be, or -5 plus -5 plus -5, -15. Make that a little bigger. And then an equation that relates the product to the total. So here's my product over here. I'm going to write that down again. -5 times 3 equals, that's relating, and my integer that was the total was -15. So that would be my multiplication problem for this set of cards. And so you guys are going to do the same thing here on example 2, except I already provided the answers over here, so you just have to drag and drop them to where they need to go. And so you'll just take a look at how many of these 4s repeat and find out the product, the expression, the equation, integer, and the total equation. And then you guys will kind of get a good basic understanding of multiplication of integers.